Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make numerous countries in Infinite Craft. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first trick that you should know is to craft the word country. It will be easier to craft many country names because once you have created a certain word that is obviously connected to a certain country, you can just easily match it with a word country and you will be able to get the country's name easily. Let's say, for example, if you have by chance get the word sushi, just match it with the word country and you will surely get Japan. So, to have the word country in your craft, you can actually start from scratch. We are only given 4 words to start with: water, fire, wind, and earth. And that's what we all need first. In my case, I have already played this before, so I already have a bunch of words listed here. But for me to get the word country, I will just need those first given words. So first, let's combine the word water with water. So now we got lake. Next, let's combine lake and lake. We got ocean. Now let's combine ocean and ocean. Now we have sea. Now let's combine it with earth. Now we have island. Now let's combine island and island. We'll get continent. Okay, let's just leave the word continent there for a while. Next, let's combine earth and wind. We'll get dust. Now, let's combine dust and water. We'll get the word mud. Now, if we combine two mud, we get clay. Let's combine clay and clay, we get brick. What if we combine brick and clay? We get house. Now, let's combine two houses, we get town. Now, let's combine two towns, we get city. Then now, let's combine city and continent. We'll get country. Okay, so from here, we already have the word country. Now, let us start combining it with just any word from your list. Let's combine island and country. We get Japan. Oh, we got one name of the country already. How about we combine the word snow and country? We get Russia. Okay, this is our second country already. Next, let's combine UFO and country. Area 51. Okay, this is not a country. Let's find another one. How about sandstorm and country? We get desert. Okay. What about country and mountain? Oh, Switzerland. This is our third country on the list. Let's try more. I'm just gonna leave all the names of the countries that we're gonna get here in our craft. I'll put back all the words that are not country names to the list on the right. Our goal is to make our craft full of country names only. So let's try another one. What about country and Dr. Fly? Dengue? Okay, let me just put a lot of countries here so I can just easily combine them with different words. So what you just basically need to do here is to play around with words, and when you get a new word, just combine it with the word country and see if you will get a country name. That will most probably work, I guess, so let's see here. I'm just combining whatever words I get from my list to the word country. Let's try Narcissus and country. Oh, we got another country name here, Greece. I think that has something to do with Greek mythology. I don't know. Okay, let's just try more combinations here. What about country and volcano? Pompeii? Okay, now let's combine it with country. I think we'll get Italy. Okay, I guessed it right. Okay, let's try more. What if we combine ice cream and country? Oh, we got another country name here, the United States. Okay, let's combine more words here. Let's combine continent and country. Oh, we just got Europe. Oh, but this is not a country name, but I think we can get a country name if we combine the word Europe and country. See, we got France. Alright, let's continue playing around with the words. What about country and narwhal? Oh, we got another one here, Norway. What about country and Sasquatch? Okay, we got Canada. What about desert and country? We got Egypt. Alright, we have another country name. Let's have more here. Okay, what about country and shark? We'll get Australia. Alright. As you can see, I have been trying almost every combination here to come up with names of countries. By trying out different combinations, you're also adding words to your list, making it easier for you to craft more words and a higher possibility to produce more country names. Just like here, I have just added an element, archipelago, and I think once it's combined with the right word, we'll be able to produce another country name. Let's combine it with the word island. We'll get Hawaii. See, another country name. Okay, let's generate more elements here. Let's try country and clay. China, another country name for us. We generated the word Viking earlier. Let's try to combine it with the word country. And we'll get Iceland, which is also a country name. We have created a lot of country names already, but let's try more. What about country and yeah, dragon? Yugoslavia? Oh, this is a country name, right? Okay, let's ask Google because I'm not really good at geography. Yes, that's a country. Okay, so we have another country on the list. What about Yugoslavia and country? We'll get Serbia. Oh, another country name, guys. Wow. We have come so far, guys. Let's create more. We created the word burro earlier, so let's combine it with the word country. Mexico. Okay, we have another one. Alright, what about yak and country? Kazakhstan. Okay, another country name, guys. So as you can see, I'm just playing around with the words I have generated so far. Most of them were combined with the word country. I guess we can generate more, so let's just continue. Okay, what about the word druid and country? Okay, we got Ireland. Alright, after a lot of tries, we got the word blonde, which I think if we combine with the word country, will generate a country name. Okay, we just got Sweden. Okay, I generated the word mustache earlier, so I'm kind of expecting that Hitler would come out here. And yes, it did. Now, let's combine it with the word country. Most probably, it will generate Germany. Yes, thought so. Let's try more. You know, another key is just to keep on combining elements that you already have. Sometimes you'll just be surprised that you actually have generated the country name. As you can see, I'm just matching words here. I don't even have a formula anymore. I just randomly pick words. There are times when I generate words and when they remind me of a certain country, I just try combining them with the word country, and that actually works most of the time. This may be a little frustrating, but when you're the one actually doing it, it's really fun. You know, there are two kinds of words that you can generate here, witty and silly ones. Witty because you actually don't know at first how that certain word comes out, but when you realize the connection, you'll just laugh and say, wow, that's so smart. I always say that out of the blue whenever I play this game. And another set of words are the silly ones. Silly because they are just too crazy or too uncreative that they just come out to make the players laugh. Maybe just like this one here, Kung Fu Panda. If I match Kung Fu Panda and Kung Fu Panda 2, I get Kung Fu Panda 3. Then if I match it with Kung Fu Panda 2, I get Kung Fu Panda 4. Then if I match this with Kung Fu Panda, I get Kung Fu Panda 5. Crazy, right? It's so uncreative, but that will give you a good laugh. Anyway, let's continue generating more elements or more words here and see if we can still add country names. Now here, when I match blockchain with country, I got another country name, which is Estonia. Now, we generated Brexit here, so I think we're gonna get United Kingdom if I combine it with the word country. And yeah, I was right. I'm just randomly combining words here. What if I combine one of my discoveries, which is Borosma, with the word country? Let's see what we'll get. Oh, it's another country name, Brazil. After a lot of tries, we generated the word Asia. I'm actually hoping to get words that are related to some Asian countries. Oh, we just got Taj Mahal. Okay, let's just combine it with the word country, and I guess you already know what we will get. Yes, it's India. I am just randomly combining words here. Oh, and I just got Portuguese. Okay, let's match it with country. And yes, we got another country name, Portugal. Okay, this is another unexpected word generation. When I combined shitcoin and country, I got Venezuela, which is also a country name. I don't know any connection between the two. I don't even know what shitcoin means. Then here, after some time, when I combined the word Captain Hook and the word country, I got Panama. Then when I combined waffle and country, I got another country name, as you can see, Belgium. Then again, after a few minutes of combining several words, when I matched the word Conchita and country, I got Spain. So as what you have seen from this, most countries that we got, they came out by combining the word country with another word. So just do the formula I mentioned earlier to generate the word country. Then after that, you'll just have to play around with words here and have fun. There are so many hilarious combinations here actually, I just can't show them all since it will take so much of our time. But anyway, try playing this at home and see how many countries you'll get. That's it. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.